Mercer and Bloom is being promoted as a stylish, modern fashion brand offering elegant clothing with a premium boutique feel. But the real question is whether it's actually a legitimate brand or just another polished online store with questionable backing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. There are many online-first clothing brands that operate without physical stores. However, here's the key point. Mercer and Bloom shows several signs commonly associated with low transparency or dropshipping style stores. There are some surface-level positives. Clean, aesthetically pleasing website trendy, minimalist clothing designs, frequent discounts, and promotional offers. But once you look deeper, some concerns start to appear. The biggest issue is brand transparency. There's often little verifiable information about the company's history, or team no strong evidence of an established fashion presence outside its own website. Another concern is product sourcing. Some product images and styles appear similar to items found on wholesale marketplaces. This suggests the items may not be uniquely designed or premium quality. Customer feedback for similar stores tends to be mixed, with common complaints like long shipping time, sizing, inconsistencies, quality not matching expectations. There's also the pricing strategy to consider. Heavy discounts and limited time sales can create urgency but don't always reflect true value. So, is Mercer and Bloom real or fake? Short answer, it's a real store, but not a proven premium brand. It doesn't appear to be an outright scam in most cases. You'll likely receive your order, but it may not live up to the high-end image it promotes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.